Hello everyone, this is Sudhakar Maparte. Today I'm going to show you how we make these type of animated slides within Skillbank system to communicate it to the user about the topic. So this is like a title uh, page. Then we will see what is Kafka. This comes from the computer science background. This particular topic is event-driven architecture, event-driven architecture in the world of software engineering. So we have these producers producing the messages, and then these are the consumers consuming those messages. And you can see the messages are coming at various speeds from the producers and being managed by the broker in the middle. These messages can come at their own pace from producers, and then they can be consumed by multiple consumers. So these are the applications, software applications on the consumer side, and these are producing applications. They're all softwares, software systems, some producing messages, some consuming messages. So this is the typical architecture of any highly scalable messaging systems like WhatsApp or LinkedIn, etc. So different messages and multiple users on the consumer side. You can think of and multiple people on producing the messages on the producer side. Anyway, so the whole idea about this slide is to show animated way how messages travel at various speeds, and the producer can have one or many consumers on the consuming side, and they can consume at their own pace. That's the main idea here. Now we go into a specific topic. So we drill down the concept, with a bunch of slides. And here we are talking about publishing a topic and how that topic is managed. These messages, when they come, they're stored into different partitions, P1 and P2, and then we can specify how long these messages stay before they are deleted and make room for additional messages. So what is the message? A message is nothing but within a topic, a kind of a document or some sort of object that is being used by the consuming applications, subscribed applications. So like that, we can keep on adding additional slides depending upon what the topic is, and convey the essence of the particular topic and chapter in a visual animated way. So that's one example. So now I'm going to show another example in the math using Pythagorean theorem. So that's okay. That's just to give a flavor. We have a platform to create these kind of animations for any knowledge base. And now I'm going to show you a Pythagorean theorem topic. So the data stored in will be in this format, but the same data, when it is projected as a slide animated way, it will show up something like this. So we have perpendicular and base. So we're going to talk about what is the base and what is the hypotenuse, what is perpendicular, and what is the formula behind the Pythagorean theorem, p square plus b square equals h square. So what I mean, then you just calculate for the values that you are given, in this case 3 and 3. So it'll just compute that. But what is really happening, if I click on that, so I will be able to show what is h square means. It's a square on the hypotenuse. And what is p square? It's a square on the perpendicular. Similarly, on this. And this is a right angle. This is only applicable for right angle triangles. So that's it. So we are simply within 30 seconds or less than a minute, we're able to show in an animated way what is the relationships among different entities here. So if the user previews this, let's say 5-6 times, and they kind of the brain will absorb those entities like h square and p square and b square, and because you're not computing and then you're arriving at a thing, so you're taking advantage of the power of the computer. So like this kind of animated interactive widgets can be created for any type of topic, any abstract topic, a research paper, or something that you are preparing for a certification exam, whatnot. So if we can organize everything in a visual way, we'll be able to communicate much better. So that's the whole idea. So our system can manage all these template management, slides management, and everything, and organize them. And these can be these slides, when they are properly used, once we make them, these can be used in a website, and then we can expose them. So this is the K-12 content for students that we have created. So as you could see, all these slides are based on that technology behind the scenes, and here we are exposing different slides, as you could see, from the website directly. And these can be controlled, access can be controlled. After logging in, only they can see certain things are free and certain things are accessible after payment, and all kinds of things we can do. Okay, so I'm just showing some examples of these. These are all based upon math, science, and English for K-12 students. So let it come. It's rendering. This is an example of an English topic. We are talking here prepositions for kids. And here we're talking about nutrition. So animated images, text, and we can also add voice as well. All right, that's all I have to show for today. All right, if you are interested, please schedule a meeting and I'll be able to show in detail and have a discussion. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.